What's up, guys? Today in the garage we are doing an install on the bike today. Changing it up a little bit. I haven't done anything on the bike in a while. I know a couple more parts are incoming. Do not worry. Right now we are doing a rear sprocket install, as you can tell by the title. It is by Rebel Gear. I picked it up at Man in the Box. I think it was like 35, 45 bucks. Plus one tooth, 35 tooth. So I feel the acceleration, I mean, of course I could use a little bit more, but once I get the Katako side cover, I feel that should kind of pep up the acceleration a little bit. And then with the plus one gearing, I should get a nice little top end for my onwards to 70. So yeah, this is the same sprocket I ran on my last bike before I did my gold DID chain install. But let me get you guys set up, and then the bike will I'll get it set up on this guy, and then we'll get going. Alright, so pretty much what I did, so hopefully it can go in. I just slid the caliper out of the little bracket on the swing arm. Make sure you do not lose those little center donut aluminum washers right there in the center on each side.